In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Hubspot with Mailchimp. We're going to walk through the most direct native way to connect these two platforms right inside Hubspot. By the end, you'll have a clean connection set up so your data can flow between Hubspot and Mailchimp without any extra tools or workarounds. Start by logging into your Hubspot account in your browser. Once you're in, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the Marketplace icon, which looks a bit like a small house. This icon is your entry point to all the apps and integrations that Hubspot supports. Click on that Marketplace icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, choose the option called App Marketplace. This will take you to a page where you can browse or search for apps to connect with your Hubspot account. On the App Marketplace page, you'll see a search bar near the top. Click into that search bar and type the word Mailchimp. Give it a second, and you should see the official Mailchimp integration appear in the search results. Make sure you select the official one, published by the trusted provider, so you know it's fully supported and up to date. Once you've opened the Mailchimp integration page, you'll see information about what the app does and how it connects with Hubspot. In the top right corner of this page, there will be an orange button that says Install App. Go ahead and click that. This tells Hubspot that you want to start the installation and connection process. After you click Install App, a new pop-up window will appear asking you to sign in to your Mailchimp account. Here, enter the same login details you normally use for Mailchimp. Take your time to make sure everything is typed correctly, then click Login. This step is how Mailchimp confirms that you own the account you're trying to connect. Next, Mailchimp will show you a permissions screen. This screen explains what Hubspot will be allowed to do with your Mailchimp data, such as viewing audiences or sending information between the two platforms. Take a moment to read through these permissions so you're comfortable with the level of access. When you're ready, click Allow to authorize the connection. Once you've allowed access, the integration will be finalized, and Hubspot and Mailchimp will be connected. From here, you can start using the integration to sync contacts, manage lists, and streamline your marketing across both tools.